You may also use the features such as shorten URL to minimize the use of your characters in the SMS or even in your MIM messages. So what you need to do is you click on shorten URL and you'll be led to this page. Say for example, I have this particular URL address that I would like to shorten. So I may just copy paste this URL link and generate a shortened link. So I can copy and I can actually do my broadcast messages with this shortened link itself. So if I would like to redo, I can just click on reset to clear everything. So this is on the shortened URL portion. Next, I would like to touch on the keyword management. So keyword management itself is for the user to add in either portal keyword or application keyword so that the system is able to capture that as part of the reply that is meant for this particular user. So what I can do is I can add in, say for example, portal keyword, and I may try maybe things like this, entering a keyword and trying to explain what is this keyword all about. And if I would like to actually turn on the auto reply mechanism, I can actually click on the checkbox here and enter the auto reply messages that I would like to send to, or should there any replies that the system receive. So if you realize that as I type, the character count here is getting smaller and smaller. So it means that along the way when I type, actually there are more and more characters that's being consumed. So if I were to want to redo any of it, I can just click reset to refill up again. If not, I can just click save. Or if I just like to go back to the previous page, I can click cancel. So if the system realizes that actually this keyword has already existed in the system, it will actually do a pop-up message and you can actually retype it again. So once it's created successfully, it will actually show as a record in the table. And if you have a lot of records, you can actually probably show by a certain number of entries on a single page. So it can actually show 10 entries, 25 entries, 50 or 100. And if you would like to actually do some searches, you can actually use the search bar to do so. And if you would like to delete anything, any entries of which, you can click on the checkbox corresponding to the entries and then hit the delete button. Of course, there's also another way to add in a keyword, which is for the application, and that is to enter it over here. So select, say for example, the service ID of your choice, enter the keyword. Again, give the keyword a description, and enter the URL should there be any URL involved, and then you hit save. If not, if you would like to change anything, hit reset. And if you would like to go to the previous page, you may go back by clicking cancel.